Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies easy and quick. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius to ensure it's ready. Then, line an 8 by 8 inch baking pan with parchment paper, leaving an overhang on the sides. This simple step makes removing your delicious brownies incredibly easy later on, saving you time and effort. Next, we'll combine our wet ingredients. In a microwave-safe bowl, melt 1/2 cup of unsalted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Stir until smooth. Then, whisk in 2 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Ensure the mixture is well combined and glossy. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a pinch of salt. This prepares your dry mix. Now it's time to bring everything together. Gradually add your dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough brownies. Pour the smooth batter evenly into your prepared 8 by 8 inch baking pan. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. A good indicator is when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with moist crumbs, not wet batter. The final and perhaps most crucial step for perfect brownies is patience. Allow your brownies to cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This can take at least 1 hour, but it's essential for achieving that desirable fudgy texture and preventing them from crumbling when cut. Once fully cooled, lift them out using the parchment paper, cut into 16 squares, and enjoy your easy, quick, and delicious homemade brownies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.